If 2025 literally destroys you, then this video is for you. If God took your confidence away, if God took opportunity away, or money, or perhaps people, then that is not the bad year. That is actually the best year for you to be prepared. Because the truth no one is talking about is the more fucked your 2025 was, the more successful you're gonna be in 2026, and I'll tell you why. So as you keep watching this video until the end, I want to kind of look back what happened in 2025 and then how you are still standing and watching this video. And this is the proof that you're actually super close to your goals and your dreams and money that you want to manifest. Because think about it, not everyone can actually go through exactly what you went through and is still standing and is still being positive, still looking at the vision and trying to accomplish your mission and your manifestation. But let's make one thing straight. The problem was not the economy. Problem is not your environment. The problem is not what happened. The real problem is your old identity, your old past nervous system, and then your old vision, and then how you see yourself and how you see the world. So let me prove it to you. If you feel like in the last couple of months or a couple of weeks, you felt like something is different, like you see the reality in a different ways, this is the exact reason that your nervous system and then your entire neurological network is upgraded. And therefore, you feel unfamiliar to the vision that you see. Now you're upgraded to different levels in your consciousness. However, whatever happened in 2025, everything needed to be happen for you, not to you. Okay? Why? Because there is a place where you felt very comfortable and thinking that is confidence. And then there is some alignment that you thought, but it was completely misalignment. But you wanted to call it alignment because it was comfortable. And then you chased the validation and you felt very comfortable with the validation, not the actual mission and vision. 2025 was everything that needed to be completely destroyed, completely broken. So that's why it had to be exposed to you, right? Your weakness, your shadow, your darkness, the God or universe or whatever you want to call it, took that away from you because you were so attached to it. You were holding on to this weak mentality and a weak version of yourself. Because if you keep holding on to this past version of yourself, the weak version of yourself, then of course you're gonna fail miserably and you're gonna be sad and you're gonna regret the fact that you didn't take the right action that point. And neuroscience actually proved this. So your brain and the nervous system is built around the predictive safety. When the life stays familiar and safe, your brain literally built identity around this area. So same habits, same routine, and same thoughts and the same feelings. So when the life hits you hard and they give you a bitch slap like psh, you know, with the financial stress, or like, oh, things are not going well, the sales is going down, or business is not growing, you know, the people are leaving, and maybe you broke up with your partner, and all the kind of things, and then life hits you, maybe at the same time or like gradually, then your nervous system have to rewire itself because they need to adjust it. And this is called allostatic load. The moment your system can no longer rely on the old patterns, means basically your nervous system and your brain function and all this pattern had to upgrade itself. And most importantly, you were not failing in 2025. You were outgrowing the old version of you. It was perhaps weak and thinking like a broke person and compromising and not actually allowing yourself to be the best version of yourself, not allowing yourself to love yourself to the fullest, and not showing up as who you truly are inside. So all this judgment and all this fear and insecurity and a limitation that you had, whether you knew or not, those are literally taken away by God. And look at yourself. 2025 exposed so many things and so many people too. And I believe a lot of people left. And then you had to, go separate ways with your partner and then friends, whatever. And you realize that lack of self-love, and then all the self-love that you thought you had was conditioned. Oh, if I have this, millions of dollars, if I have this, then I'm worthy. Your self-worth was low, so that's why you under-churched, you gave too much, and then you misunderstood the kindness and people-pleasing. And your vision and your dream literally collapsed in front of your face because of the little pressure that you felt. So everything was a preparation. But you have to face that. You have to face that you cannot make a quick decision because you always feel pressure and then you can't move fast. And that's a lack of ability to make a decision. Equals that's a lack of ability to trust yourself. Because if you do trust your intuition in yourself, then you know this is the right action, therefore you take the right action in a matter of time. But a lot of people actually don't take the quick action because they're afraid, and then they give all the creative excuses. Oh, because I meditate. Oh, because I'm the type of person who think about it. Well, it's essentially you just don't have the ability to make the quick decision because you don't trust yourself. And then you hold yourself back in investing in yourself. Listen, I've spent $100,000 the other day just to meet somebody. And why would I spend that much money on just like, boom? I don't think. Because I know this is the right way, because I trust myself. The more money you spend on yourself, on your growth, the more money you make. It's a simple equation, the law of the universe. And let me tell you something. The other day I actually spent $50,000 on paintings. And this painting doesn't even fit my house because it's like 3 meters and 1 meter. It's so gigantic. Well, I mean, I can still put it, but it wouldn't be enjoyable for me to look at that gigantic paintings because, you know, there's like tables and there's a lot of things, right? So like for me, I was like, okay, so there's no place for me to enjoy these paintings and appreciate these paintings. So I kept that in the gallery, and I knew that from beginning before I buy. But why I spend $50,000 in which on a painting that doesn't even fit my house is because when I looked at the art, when I looked at the paintings, and I knew that I was tested. And literally the art spoke to me like, can you invest 50K on these paintings, which will come back to you 10 times more? It only took me a minute to decide because I knew that the more I spend and the more I invest on the right things, on your growth, then the more money you make. And funny enough, in 2 weeks later, I actually closed a one-on-one coaching for $100,000. So boom, that's it. 50K became 100K. It's just 2 times in a matter of 2 weeks. And interestingly, that Zoom call was so smooth. No sales script, no strategy, no manipulation technique. I just literally told a few people that I'm looking for, you know, just 2 people for one-on-one, and then one person just texted me, hey, like I'm really interested. And boom, next day we had like chat for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then a close. Just completely effortless, and 100K just like that. So my point is 2025 was a preparation. What I mean by that is that God tested you to really realize the power within you and get rid of all these low self-esteem and, you know, not trusting yourself, not believing in yourself, not being confident, and weak mentality, and just, you know, collapse under the pressure. Everything needs to be gone, right? Because otherwise you cannot get to the next level because you're chosen to lead. When all these traits in your identity collapse, this is when the success finally comes to you, okay? That was a God's test, because you can't just get to the next level of consciousness having this weak mentality and a loser's mindset. You have to have a winner's mindset. You have to literally feel worthy to receive millions of dollars, right? Let's face it, everyone wants to manifest millions of dollars. Everyone wants to be abundant, right? Everyone wants to have nice things and then have a beautiful life without stressing, you know, themselves out with money and those bills. Let's face it, everyone wants that, but not everyone can handle that amount of energy. What does it mean? It means, think about it in energy, because money is energy, right? The energy comes in abundance. That means it's a strong energy. But let's say you have a cup, and then you open the sink, then the water comes out from the tap, and then you can just receive it to fill up the cup. And then that's exactly how much you can hold as an energy, as a water. So imagine that you go into the Niagara Fall, like the gigantic amount of water just comes like, and then perhaps if you go under it, you're gonna be collapsed. Your bones are broken, you know, like you're dead. But imagine you're holding on to this little cup, like you can drink sake, like, thank you. It's like the little cup that doesn't hold any energy. And then you go under the Niagara Fall. What happens is that, boom, that cup will be completely destroyed because the gigantic amount of water is so heavy that little cup cannot hold that energy, it'll break it. So the study shows the majority of the lottery winner actually go bankrupt and then completely broke and then lose all the money. Why? Because their vessel, their identity is not capable to hold such amount of energy. So that little cup under the Niagara Fall, like, oh my God, I won the lottery and I boom, $1 million, boom, destroyed. completely destroyed. So this is the reason why you were forced to outgrow the old identity, because that vessel is so fucking weak that cannot hold any big, gigantic amount of energy. But the truth is, the easy air builds fragile losers, and hard air builds confident winners. So again, the more fucked your 2025 is good, because you're chosen one. You're chosen to be successful in 2026. And in 2026, it's gonna be the year of horse, which is gonna be you just keep running as fast as you can. So don't stop. There's no time to think. You just keep running. That's why you have to trust yourself. That's why you have to be in tune with yourself. That's why this weak mentality and this weak mindset and this past version of the old identity needed to collapse, because you just have to keep running and running and running and make decision on spot, like boom, boom, boom. So being chosen doesn't mean you're blessed and then you're safe and then you're comfortable. Being chosen is actually completely different. What does it mean? Being chosen means that you're burdened with the responsibility. And then if you are burdened with the responsibility, then you have to be the identity and a vessel that can hold the level of energy. So this is the reason why you're prepared and you're trained. You had to go through all this training from your childhood. You had a bunch of traumas, things that you went through. You probably, if you're chosen one and you felt like you're outcasted, you completely don't understand how the people operate, because you were not these normal, ordinary people. And then the next year is going to be number one in numerology. What does it mean? It means it will decide the entire 9 years of your future. And it's very, very important. It's a big deal. So what you do right now in the next couple of months to 12 months is going to decide the next decade. So that's why keep running, but you have to make a decision on the spot. And how do you do that? You gotta trust yourself, you gotta trust your intuition, and you have to invest in yourself. The more you spend, the more you make. It's simple, it's a flow of energy. And then you're about to receive all the spotlight as well. The followers, perhaps speaking on the stage and actually leading so many people and inspiring so many people. And the most importantly, stepping into that identity, showing up as the new identity and showing up this best version of yourself unapologetically. You don't react the same way to people or things. You don't panic. You're just so confident and so grounded. And then you trust yourself, and then you know you can take the right action, and you know you can just spend money like it doesn't mean anything to you. Now farewell to your old identity and everything that God takes away from you, and own who you are and step into this new higher level of consciousness. And 2026 is for you to take Him and get ready to receive all the abundance and the millions of dollars. There's 3 paths in front of you. One is doing nothing and just stay exactly where you are, and then stay broke, stay sad, stay miserable, and then blame yourself for not doing anything and compromise your life. The path 2 is you feel motivated, you're learning, you start taking action by yourself. So it takes a long fucking time, which I've done that for years and years. The manifestation took time for me. If you do it all by yourself, then it always takes a long fucking time. And path number 3 is to actually have a mentorship and a coaching. And this changed my life. Like when I break through, I always have a mentorship. Right now, I do have a mentorship. And since I start taking the mentorship and investing in coaches and people, and a different level of energy, the higher level of consciousness and energy that literally lift me up. And this is the law of energy. Always that your energy is pulled into this powerful, stronger energy, whether it's a negative or positive. So if you surround yourself with strong positive energy, then you're going to lift yourself up automatically. Like it's so easy and effortless. But if you surround yourself with people who's lower than you, they're negative and not confident, and if it's strong enough, then it'll pull you this way. So it's very important to surround yourself with the right people, and that's why the mentorship is one of the most important things. And that's why I literally spent $500,000 on coaching and a mentorship. So if you want to take the fastest route, then apply from the link in the description, and my team will speak to you and then hear what's your limiting beliefs and what's holding you back. My team will walk you through the entire process of coaching, and also to see if you're a good fit for our community and coaching. So now take action right now and go ahead and apply from the link, and I hope to see you in my coaching. And let me know in the comment that you're ready to take action, that you're ready to crush 2026, and what kind of goal that you want to crush, and what kind of dream that you were going to manifest. Let me know in the comment. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.